Are you a beginner looking to dive into the world of Forex trading? Well, stop scrolling. There are various strategies you can adopt, each with its own level of risk and potentials in return. So without further ado, let's explore the top trading strategies for Forex for beginners. Trend trading involves identifying and following market trends using technical indicators such as moving averages. Swing trading involves holding positions for a few days to benefit from short-term price changes. Position trading, on the other hand, is a long-term strategy, holding onto your position for a few weeks or even months in order to leverage out longer market trend. Range trading involves trading within the identified support and resistance levels that you set. Scalping, meanwhile, involves quick trade, entering within seconds or minutes to profit from small price changes. Choosing a strategy that aligns with your trading style and risk tolerance is key. Testing this out on a demo trading account is essentially also key in order for you to not risk your real life money and get some experience prior to going on to the live market. The trading with the right strategy and discipline can be a fruitful venture for you within the Forex industry. Like, comment, and subscribe for more trading insights.